Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today here at Low Carb Recipes with Ron, we're continuing to go through the many videos that I posted on Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm re-edited them for the new channel, and I'm continuing to film out more recipes for you guys. So today we're making bacon and eggs. It's one of my staples in the morning. Today we happen to have Canadian bacon. We got 3 slices of Canadian bacon that we fried up, and then we took 3 eggs over easy with a little bit of butter and a little bit of easy to olive oil, and got everything going on a little setting on the pan, and fried them up and flipped the eggs over, and this is what I had for today. And had a couple of cups of coffee, and I usually have most of the time this every day. A lot of times I just have sausages and eggs and bacon and eggs. It all depends on what I'm in the mood for. And the difference between the regular bacon and the Canadian bacon is the Canadian bacon is very lean because it comes from the center of the pig. And the regular bacon is very salty. And but either way, it's very good and healthy for you. And so you don't eat a pound of bacon. But anyways, bacon tastes good just about any day. And hope you enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.